Hello bogies, told you I'd finally do a review of this, not even a review really, just an unboxing. This is my dashboard for the race car, hopefully. Well, it's for a race car. So I got it from AIM Shop, I think. They're the UK supplier of AIM dashboards, loads of different models, but this is the model I picked on. So what we just do is quickly go through some bits. So let's see if we can get this out of the box first. Slowly ruining this. So what we've got to here, we've got the dashboard. We've got the SmartyCam GP HD add-on. That allows you to do all the filming. And a data hub which allows you to connect multiple items together. A bit like USB if you're into computers. So we won't really cover that. All that does is just connects loads more devices together. I went for the GPS option. I think in turn does connect to the dashboard, but it also connects and is used on the camera to give you speed and positioning. So you can do like the old Grand Prix circuits, you can see where you are on the racetrack. So not much in here, there's a few cables and connectors in the bottom of that. But this is the dash, so nice weighty. That's just a protector on it that needs to come off later on. Can't fire it up at the moment because I haven't got it connected to all the batteries, but as you can see from the picture, it does all sorts of your readings and everything. What it also does is it connects to OBD2, so for the Subaru stuff it will just plug into the harness and you get all your oil pressures, your temperature gauges, boost and everything like that, and revs, that'll automatically just appear. It also does work with other different setups. RS232, etc. like that. It also comes with side lights that can be used for indicators and stuff, so I'm planning on using this just to completely replace the whole dashboard. Not that I need indicators and all that sort of stuff, but it's nice to have it all wired in. So yeah, looks good. So sorry I can't fire it up because, as I said, not connected, but what I can do is fire this up. This little baby. It looks like I haven't even read any of the instructions on any of this stuff, that you can run this camera as a separate module, so you don't even have to have it connected to the dashboard. I think if you do have it connected to the dashboard, you can get extra readings on the screen and recorded, i.e. you know, your RPM, etc. If you had it just connected to the GPS, all it does is gives you a signal. Assuming, if I'm right about that as well, that the GPS plugs in. As I said, I haven't actually read any of the instructions yet. So you can see, it comes in quite a tough, solid metal thing. You have a little hatch here that you can put the memory card, USB into, so I guess that's all for downloading and recording. And then you have your connections on the bottom here that you plug different peripherals into. So as you can see here, let's see if we got this one right. I don't think that's the right one. One of these cables. We can just plug the camera into it. And as I said, I think you can use the hub to extend the range, you know, plug different items in. I think it all just works. So what you can do is just fire this baby up because it works completely independently. I guess a USB is for charging as well. As you can see on the back here, bullet cam, GPS. So this comes with a good slightly long cable, so we can mount that in all sorts of different places. Have a bit of fun with that. So yeah, it's just starting up now, so you get a little screen, so I can have that mounted in the car as well, so you can actually see what is videoing in real time as well and see what you get going on. Mainly though I've got no SD card in at the moment. Camera not connected, that's because I just pushed these connections in. So I don't know if you can see, the camera that you're being filmed on, and then if you're very low corner you can see all the dashboard things that appear. Yeah, and so basically they all get recorded on the video, so that's pretty cool as well. So again, running out of battery now, and also the GPS somehow all plugs into that. So that's just a quick update. Really can't offer you much more until we get it fired up, but at the moment it seems good quality kit, all well built. Comes with a nice big manual here, which we'll have a read of at some point. But the key thing is, as I said, plug it into the ODB2 and pretty much all the dashboard should work, hopefully. But yeah, hopefully you like that. And it is what it is. So I'll let you know once it's in the car working.